Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good week. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far. And welcome to this new video on Bitcoin right now. I mean, I gotta be honest, the market's right now quite boring. Not a lot of sustained moves. I mean, yesterday we did have, when I did my middle of the day market update, we did have a bit of a bullish move. But fortunately, or at least, well, it's kind of a win-lose situation, because what I said is that, you know, the economic data we had yesterday, the non-farm payrolls on the unemployment rate was very mixed, right? So the unemployment rate was lower than expected, which is actually not good for financial markets. I know that sounds paradoxical, but okay. And the NFP, the non-farm payrolls, were lower than expected. So that's good, but that means that the data in general was mixed. And then if we actually take a look at the relative fundamentals, which is, well, the financial markets and the dollar strength index, what you can see is that the dollar strength index predominantly actually turned bullish after it. And the S&P 500 took a turn to the downside. So that caused Bitcoin to drop down as well. That was expected, all right. So I've told you yesterday on my X profile, I've said that, you know, I don't trust this move. I said in the video in my middle of the day market update that I did not really trust the move. We talked about it in the Signal group that I have. So in general, that's good. But what that means is that the market is just back down to the same levels we were at, and there's not much going on, which I don't like. I mean, yesterday or at least last week, I did do some trading, but it was very little. I practically only traded Monday and Tuesday, and this morning I opened some trades on coins that I actually quite liked. But that also means that the situation for Bitcoin is still pretty similar. I mean, yesterday, of course, we did get some volume back into the markets, so that was pretty good. I mean, we actually reached like $55 billion. I still remember, I mean, about half a year ago, $55 billion, getting that would have been amazing, right? So it's all a bit relative. It's normal, it's relatively low, but it's still, like, compared to the markets last year, pretty high, all right? So that's, I would say that's a good thing if we actually still want more bullish market circumstances later on this year. But that's not what we're talking about. But the volume went up a bit, but the volume is now decreasing, obviously, because we're getting into the weekend. I would expect it to decrease further, all right? And the same thing is still going on. I mean, yesterday, the bullish move that we had was also very much fueled by leverage, which was another reason why, you know, trusting the move, in my opinion, was not the best option. And then now, what I do think is interesting, which I wanted to look at real quick, is that we have a lot of shorts being opened on Bitcoin, and that's new, all right? We did not see that last week, but here you can see, I mean, the open interest is increasing, and this is something, I think this is pretty crucial, all right? So let's talk about this a little bit more. You have quite a lot of shorts being opened. Most of these positions here on the open interest are shorts. Some of them have been closed again, but the majority are still open. So what that means is that, all right, well, they're pushing the price down. And yesterday we also had some tariff fear again, so there's a good chance, and I still think technically it is most likely that we will still push down into that level at 93, 92, 91,000, which is what I've been saying for the last couple of days already, so that's not new. But I do think the fact that we have so many shorts open right now will actually mean that this support level is going to hold. So personally, and well, if you want to know the details of what I'm buying and when I'm buying, check out the Signal group, but personally I will be buying at this level, right? I think they'll push down the price a bit lower, but I do think this level will be able to hold, and I do think from here we will also be able to get back into 100,000. So that's it for now. those are my thoughts on the situation for Bitcoin right now. That's my prediction on the further development of the price here. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye. And I said down in the comments, join the free Telegram, join the free Discord, because the comments are still absolutely stuffed with bots, which is not amazing, but it's the truth. Have a great weekend. Bye.